Hello everybody, this is Tony with Genn-USA LLC, and we have just stained the garage of one of our fantastic customers, and we're letting it sit right now. It's been about, I don't know, about an hour. And the first part, the terracotta or mahogany with the terracotta tint to it, we applied it, brushed it a little bit, but overall about a gallon and a half. Overall, we just lightly brushed it, you could say. Then we came back with the turquoise, and this time I decided not to brush it. I decided to just kind of let nature take its course, and hopefully it'll stay like this, but it'll leave a really cool effect, almost like a cloud-like nebula look of turquoise, which is a great accent to that kind of color. And it matches the house. You see the colors of the house, and it's almost like a perfect match, as you can see. But it's looking pretty sweet, so we'll let it ride for another about 3 or 4 hours. And hey guys, so we're back and we are sealing the acid stained garage floor. As you can see, we're putting in the sealer. This is kind of what it turned out. So we added a little turquoise later on for a little bit of effect. You can't see it much right now, and it kind of looks like blah. But once we hit it with that sealer, the solvent-based sealer, it will achieve the wet look that we're looking for. Give it kind of like a marble finish. It's going to be pretty sweet. But this is where we're at, and we will let you know what it looks like and show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Thanks. Talk to you later, guys. Hello, everybody. All right, we just got finished doing a acid stain and seal on a garage floor. It's pretty dated, probably 30-year-old garage floor, and had quite a few cracks and things like that, but we made it look as pretty as possible. Boom. We're waiting on the sealer to dry. It's about to start raining. Oh no. But see, the great thing about our SB 8700 is 90 minutes plus or minus. 90 minutes plus or minus after it's applied, it's rain proof, you know what I mean? So we're about the hour mark. We're pushing it, but hopefully we got about 30 more minutes and it'll seal. That's if water gets in there, which I don't think it will, which close the garage doors. But bottom line is, it looks pretty sweet. Job complete. We add a little bit of shark bite to keep the floors from being too slick, the concrete from being too slick, so people don't slip, you know what I mean? First was a mahogany, kind of a terracotta color. Then we came in with turquoise later on in sporadic areas. Let it sit for about, I don't know, 6-7 hours. Came back, neutralized, wash it off, let it sit for the rest of the night. Came back today, 2 o'clock, finished it. Boom, looking good. I'll put pictures at the end of the slide here, or into the video, so you can see. Appreciate you watching. Thanks. See ya.